Let's solve the differential equation 3x times y prime minus y equals natural log of x plus 1. We're first going to divide both sides by 3x. And the reason we divide by 3x is because we want y prime to have a coefficient of 1. So let's divide everything by 3x. We have y prime minus 1 over 3x times y equals natural log of x over 3x plus 1 over 3x. Now we can find the integration factor, so we're going to do e raised to the integral of negative 1/3 x. So this is just e to the negative 1/3 and then natural log of x, which I can write this as e natural log of x to the negative 1/3, which is just x to the negative 1/3. Okay, so now I'm going to multiply both sides by x to the negative 1/3. It's x to the negative 1/3 times y prime minus x to the negative 1/3 over 3x times y equals x to the negative 1/3 times ln of x over 3x plus x to the negative 1/3 over 3x. And now we can use a reverse product rule. So this is just x to the negative 1/3 times y and then the derivative of that. Because the derivative of x to the negative 1/3 is negative 1/3 x to the negative 4/3, and that's exactly what we have here. Because if I was to rewrite this, this would be negative 1 over 3 times x to the 4/3. And then, times y. And then we have this as well. So x to the negative 1/3 times y prime. So this is equal to, now on the right side, we can rewrite this as natural log x over x, or 3x to the 4/3 plus 1 over 3x to the 4/3. So I can integrate this. So the integral and the derivative are going to cancel. We have x to the negative 1/3 times y equals natural log x. I guess we could just factor out the 1/3. And we could just say natural log x times x to the negative 4/3 plus, and then we could just integrate 1 over 3 times x to the 4/3, because we'll just write it as 1/3 x to the negative 4/3. So when we integrate this, we'll add 1 to the exponent, which will make it negative 1/3. And then when we divide by negative 1/3, that's the same thing as multiplying by negative 3. So that becomes negative 1. In order to solve this integral, we have to use integration by parts. So let's just focus on solving this. U will be our natural log x. dv is x to the negative 4/3 times dx. du is 1 over x dx. v is x to the negative 1/3 times negative 3. So right now, we have x to the negative 1/3 times y equals 1/3, and then this is going to multiply by the integral of ln of x times x to the negative 4/3, which is negative 3 x to the negative 1/3 times natural log x minus integral negative 3, and then x to the negative 1/3 times 1 over x will be just x to the negative 4/3. And then minus x to the negative 1/3 power. Then we'll just have a constant c. So now we can simplify. Here we have the 1/3 will distribute. We have negative x to negative 1/3, ln of x. The two negatives are going to cancel. We have plus. The 1/3 times 3 also cancels. And then we have to just integrate x to negative 4/3, which is negative, or x to negative 1/3 times negative 3 minus x to negative 1/3 plus c. Yeah, let's keep simplifying. Negative x to negative 1/3 ln of x minus 4x to negative 1/3 plus c. Then we'll multiply both sides by x to the 1/3 to get y by itself. And then we have negative ln of x minus 4 plus c times x to the 1/3 power. And so this is our final answer.